April 7th, 2018, 4 p.m. We've got blue polarized on. A lot of chemicals being floated on through. They don't even look like clouds. Look at that. I'll leave this on. We're totally zoomed out. You see that one going like that in an angle. That's crazy. Alright, now I'll take them off. I'm going to go back the other way. Again, the energy above me, as always. Look at that. See that one going in an angle? Crazy. Just all nuts. Look at that. Yeah. No halo. Well, I bet you we're going to get one. West. And finally, let's throw this bad boy on. See what we get. Yeah. It's all smeared. See if it changes to a round. Okay. That would be the update. Woo, a lot of wind all of a sudden out of nowhere. Okay, peace out.